Hello friends, welcome to our new video. We are showing a beautiful and interesting paper craft. You might have seen Talking Tom. This is also a talking pet. What shall we call him? We can call him Pong. Talking Pong here. Wow. Let us create our second item. This is a crown. Who wears a crown? A crown is normally worn by king, queen, and princess. Okay, a beautiful queen's crown made by paper. Now we are making a suitcase. A suitcase made after paper. We can keep our small articles in this suitcase. So please carefully observe how we are making this suitcase. So we have folded and now we got a box-like structure. Now we attach a small tube-like paper on the top of that. This is the dress of a girl. A beautiful frock, by the way. So don't you want to make this? Are you excited to make this? Go take the paper and start making this. Carefully observe how we make this. We have a fan-like structure here, and this is the bottom portion of the dress. Very beautiful. What is this? It's a letters box. Letters, papers, such articles can be kept inside it and gifted to other people. So we have folded it from 4 sides. Then we are making a small button-like thing. Then it is ready. Now we can move to another dress. It's a frock. Again, we are making it in a different style. Okay, so we have here a rectangular piece, a paper. From that, we are constructing the dress of a girl. Okay, so please observe how we fold it, how we open the flaps. Wow, very beautiful and interesting. Now, this is a heart-shaped band. You might have seen watches, various kinds of wrist watches. Nowadays, watches are of different shapes and different colors. So like that, this is also a wrist band with heart shape. So this is very lovely. Isn't it? Wow, beautiful. And this is the final item in this video. This is a flower pot in the shape of a flower itself. We have a triangular piece now, and we have 4 flaps, and in the opposite sides we are folding it. Then we curl the flaps, we open it like a flower pot. That's all. Thank you.